Hey English learners, stop scrolling for just 1 minute, because what I'm about to tell you could actually change the way you speak English forever. Welcome to Easy English Class. Here I don't just teach English. I make it feel easy, fun, and possible. Even if you've been struggling with it for years. You know that feeling when you understand something in English, and it just clicks? That moment when you stop translating in your head, and the words just flow. That's exactly what happens to the people who learn with me. Step by step. Video by video. And the best part? I use stick figure animations, so even the most confusing English topics become simple, visual, and actually enjoyable to watch. Now here's what I want you to do. Visit my YouTube channel, the link is in my profile, and subscribe to my channel. Because that's where the real journey begins. Every week, I drop new lessons that are made specifically for people like you. People who are serious about improving their English and want a method that actually works. Don't be the one who sees other people's progress and wishes they had started sooner. Go to Easy English Class on YouTube, hit subscribe, then come back here and comment, "I subscribed," and I will personally mention your name in my next video. Because every single subscriber matters to me. You are not just a number. You are part of this English learning family. So go subscribe, and let's grow together. And now, I want to say something from. I put real time, real effort, and real love into every single video I make for you. Every animation, every lesson, every example. It's all made thinking about you and how I can make English easier for your life. But honestly, what keeps me going, what makes me sit down every week and create something new, is your support. So, if you've ever watched one of my videos and thought, "This actually helped me," then show me. Support me on YouTube. Subscribe to Easy English Class. Let your support be the reason I never stop creating. Come, comment below, "I subscribed," and I will mention your name in my next video, because you deserve to be seen. And I want to say thank you. Personally, let's build something amazing together. Here's something very important. You don't need perfect English to speak English. Most learners think they need to know every word, every grammar rule, every sentence. But that's not true. What you really need is simple sentences to help you continue speaking. English is not about perfection. It's about communication. If you can express your idea, even in a simple way, you are already doing great. Also, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you improve. Think about it like this. When a child learns to speak, they make many mistakes, but they keep talking. That's why they improve so fast. You should do the same. Keep talking, even if it's not perfect. Let's practice a quick example. Someone says, "What did you do yesterday?" You don't know what to say. Instead of staying silent, you say, "Give me a second." Then you continue. "I'm not sure how to say this, but I went to a place with my friends. It's like a big shopping place." Now, the other person understands you mean a mall. You see? You didn't stop. You didn't give up. You kept the conversation going. That's the goal. So remember these simple sentences. Give me a second. How do I say this? I'm not sure, but I think I don't know the word, but it's like. And let me think for a moment. These sentences will save you in any conversation. And the more you use them, the more confident you will become. So next time you feel stuck, don't panic. Just use these sentences and keep talking. Because fluency is not about knowing everything. It's about never stopping.